Hi, my name is Brandon Miller, and I'm a technical support engineer on the performance team here at NetApp. I'd like to take a few minutes and provide an overview of the tools available for monitoring and troubleshooting performance. Currently, there are 6 tools available to NetApp customers and partners. ActiveIQ, ActiveIQ Unified Manager, previously called OnCommand Unified Manager or OCM, ActiveIQ Performance Analytics Services or AIQ PaaS, OnCommand Insight or OCI, Cloud Insights, and Harvest. The table that is seen here is a great quick reference that provides an overview of each tool and the basic concepts that make each tool uniquely useful. Taking a closer look at each, let's start with ActiveIQ. ActiveIQ is high-level performance information that is hosted on the NetApp support site. Performance is only one of many things that ActiveIQ reports. ActiveIQ is the evolution of My Auto Support and provides a single pane of glass for many useful tools and metrics. ActiveIQ, or AIQ for short, uses phone home information from performance auto support messages that most controllers send daily. ActiveIQ provides high-level trending information for up to 2 months in the past. And here's an example of what ActiveIQ looks like and some of the options that are available within the interface. Next, there's ActiveIQ Unified Manager. ActiveIQ Unified Manager provides monitoring and alerting capabilities for ONTAP. ActiveIQ Unified Manager uses performance archive data that is collected from the controllers. Note that ActiveIQ Unified Manager is only capable of monitoring Data ONTAP systems. ActiveIQ Unified Manager is also capable of, quote, live monitoring, which is collecting data from the controller in 5-minute increments. The data is, quote, live, but is always about 5 minutes behind real time. ActiveIQ Unified Manager also delivers information that is related to thresholds that were breached. This information identifies which object had a threshold breached, latency, IOPS, utilization, and so on, and if possible, identifies the cause of the breach, often referred to as a bully. Finally, ActiveIQ Unified Manager provides trending information for all workloads. This information can be invaluable because it's often unclear whether anything has changed. The image that is seen here is a sample of the ActiveIQ Unified Manager Quality of Service tab. Notice that, among other things, you can select several different performance metrics to view and can change the date range to see a specific point in time. And now let's look at ActiveIQ Performance Analytics Services, or AIQ PaaS. ActiveIQ PaaS, or AIQ PaaS for short, is a monitoring environment for ONTAP performance that was built by NetApp Performance Engineering. ActiveIQ PaaS uses performance archive data that is collected from the controllers and only monitors ONTAP systems. ActiveIQ PaaS is the same tool that is used by the NetApp Performance Support Team, although not all the dashboards that are used by the support team are available to customers. ActiveIQ PaaS is available as an on-premises tool, or it can be used within an Amazon Web Services or AWS instance. Although ActiveIQ PaaS is the main performance troubleshooting tool, NetApp support has other tools available that might be used if an issue requires a more detailed investigation. ActiveIQ PaaS can be used to identify very specific bottlenecks in a system and provides deep dive information that is not available in other tools. Again, here's a sample of what ActiveIQ PaaS looks like and which dashboards are available in the drop-down menu on the right-hand side of the screen. This tool is updated regularly, so the dashboards that are seen here are likely to be different over time. Next up is OnCommand Insight, or OCI for short. OnCommand Insight is a heterogeneous monitoring and alerting environment that is capable of monitoring both NetApp and non-NetApp equipment. This capability means that you can monitor and be alerted on almost anything in the data center that you select, such as switches, server blades, hypervisors and their hardware, and even your cloud environment. OCI is designed to provide an end-to-end data center overview of all systems in an environment and can identify bottlenecks outside ONTAP controllers. OCI provides reporting capability to analyze systems. Reporting can be useful for spotting trends over time and planning for updates, upgrades, additions, migrations, optimizations, and so on. In OCI, performance monitoring is only one part of the capabilities of the tool. Here you see another small example of just some of the information that OCI can provide. Next is Cloud Insights. Cloud Insights is an infrastructure monitoring and optimization tool that is cloud-hosted. Cloud Insights is multi-vendor aware, so it can monitor both NetApp and non-NetApp assets, and is functional for cloud and on-premises resources. Cloud Insights can also monitor both public and private clouds. Cloud Insights provides real-time data visualization of topology, availability, performance, and utilization. Cloud Insights enables understanding of demand, latency, errors, and saturation points for all services. This capability enables you to identify bottlenecks along the entire data path. The tool has configurable dynamic alerting, and it can integrate with ActiveIQ for best practices and risk detection that are related to NetApp resources. Cloud Insights is also capable of creating multiple, fully customized dashboards with highly flexible data presentation formats, charts, tables, graphs, lists, and so on. Here's an image that gives you an idea of a very small portion of the functionality of Cloud Insights. And finally, the last tool is Harvest. Harvest is a monitoring environment that was built specifically for Data ONTAP by the NetApp Solutions Engineer, or SE, community. Harvest has built-in dashboards that are also customizable. Harvest can collect data from ActiveIQ Unified Manager to report on items such as headroom. Again, here's a sample of what Harvest output might look like. Finally, here's a list of links to each of the tools. These links will take you to each tool's documentation in case you would like to find out more. I hope you enjoyed this short overview of the tools available for monitoring and troubleshooting performance. Stay tuned for the next video, which will show you the benefits of collecting and submitting logs to NetApp support. Thank you.